Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this TRONIC QI charging stand, quick wireless charger for QI compatible devices, 30 watt, output from the USB Type-C adapter, power delivery in 30 minutes you can charge up to 50% your smartphone, total output 20 watt, 2 by 10 watt, quick charge, USB cable included with a 3 years warranty. You can charge simultaneously two devices, if that is a smartphone, your earpods, your pads, your smartwatch, if it is compatible with any wireless charger. You can charge any device with wireless compatibility. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, I like the design. Cable included, the manual, if you want to read is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice. Type-C to Type-C, and it is about 80 centimeter. I like that. The power adapter. The power adapter, it has an output 5 volt 3 amp 15 watt, 9 volt 3 amp 27 watt, 12 volt 2.5 amp 30 watt and 15 volt 2 amp 30 watt. Type-C connection, power delivery 30 watt it says here. I like the construction, very durable, it looks nice. And here it is the wireless charger. At the bottom, this is plastic. We have 4 rubber feet. Definitely it will stay very secure at any surface. It doesn't move. Ventilation. Silver color around, and at the bottom, the Type-C connection. Nice. TRONIC logo with silicone pads around, and this Thunderbolt silicone pad, TRONIC. Slim, elegant design with high efficiency. It has an overcurrent and short circuit protection for the power delivery USB charger. 2 LED lights here for indication of connections and errors, with a maximum output 20 watt, 10 and 10 watt. Well, let's plug it in. Blue LEDs we can see here when it's plugged in for the first time, and of course you can charge. Here it is, blue LED is charging your pads. Another, there it is, blue LED, and it's charging. How cool is that? If you have multiple devices with wireless charging compatibility, I think that is a good choice. Just buy it and charge all your devices at once. Let's check my smartwatch, Samsung smartwatch. I don't think so it will charge that because it has his own case. No, nothing. Oh, we can see it's flashing. We have an error. Cannot charge my smartwatch. You need to use the Samsung wireless charger. Or you can charge your smartphone. Wireless charging, fast wireless charging, 62% is the battery, 1 hour and 5 minutes until fully charged. So the time is not so fast. If my phone was about 2%, 5%, it takes about 2 hours and 50 minutes for wireless charging. Decent time, but not super fast charging. Like I'm connecting the power adapter on my smartphone, it takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes. And of course you can charge your iPhone, 52%. It will not increase the time at this smartphone if I'm going to put another smartphone at the second position. The time it is the same. So it is very convenient to charge two devices simultaneously because this wireless charging pad is connected on a 30 watt power adapter. 30 watts power delivery. It is your choice how you want to charge your devices, wirelessly or from a power adapter directly. Sometimes I prefer the wireless charging. It is more convenient, just put your smartphone and start charging. It cost 45 euros, included all that, the cable, the power adapter and the wireless charger pad. 2x10, total 20 watt. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.